Hello guys, welcome to another lesson of our MS Excel tutorial series, Logical Functions Part 2. So in this lesson, we will discuss SUMIF, AVERAGEIF, and COUNTIF. Let's go! If you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and notification bell para laging updated sa mga lessons natin. Before we will start, please download the file. The file name is Logical Functions Part 2. The file link is in the description below. Okay, so this lesson is a continuation of our previous lesson, yung if functions. So, but this time, we will use the function to summarize a record, no? Just like this one, we will get the summary, no, of yung customer natin. For example, dito sa summary natin, we want to get, no, the total sales per customers, the average sales per customer, at the number of transactions per customers, no? Same with the item, no, the total sales per item and the average sales per item. So to do that, we will use yung SUMIF, COUNTIF, at AVERAGEIF. Okay? So before we proceed sa ating SUMIF at AVERAGEIF, we will discuss first the basic, no? So first, we want to add, no, yung amount ng sales na more than 100, yung amount niya. I-add natin siya. For example, i-add natin ito yung 150, 1350, 400, 1,000. So meaning, hindi natin i-add kung hindi siya abot ng more than 100. Okay? So yung sales na may more than 100, yung amount. Okay? So to do that, we will use a SUMIF, no, function. Okay? So equal SUMIF. So sa SUMIF, meron tayong tatlong arguments. First argument is the range. Then the second is the criteria. And the third one, which is an optional argument, is a sum range. Okay? So to get the amount na meron, or the total amount na more than 100 siya, okay? So yung range natin ito, no? So yung range natin, we will highlight this one, the amount. Then, comma. Then yung criterion natin is greater than 100. Okay? Pero lagyan natin ng quotation. Okay? Greater than 100. Okay. So, ganun lang yung natin, function. Then, enter. So, ito yung ating total amount ng sales na more than 100. Yung niya, amount per transaction. Okay, pag i-total natin 150 plus 1350 plus 400 and so on, yung total niya is 18,250. Pwede rin natin kukunin yung average niya. Okay, average niya na amount, no, na may more than 100. So same pa rin yung procedure, pero ngayon average if yung gagamitin natin. Okay? So yung range natin is same. So yung range natin, then the criteria is the same. 100. Okay, ganyan. Then enter. So our average sales, no, na may more than 100 is 424 and 48 or 49 centavos. Okay, let us proceed to our main objective. Okay, so first, we will rename the range, no? This one. So we will rename this as customer. Highlight natin. Then, sa name box, type natin customer. Okay. Then, the items. Items. Then, dito, branches. Okay? Branches. Enter. Okay? So, dito naman, pwede nating lagyan din yung quantity. Quantity, QTY. Then, amount. Highlight then, amount. Next is, go to the summary. This one. Then sa sales, type no, equal SUMIF. Okay? Then, the range is yung ginawa natin kanina range, no? Yung customers. Okay? Customers. Yan, o customer. No? Then, comma. Then, the criteria is ito. No? Itong pangalan ng customer natin. Then, another argument, no, is, comma, is the sum range. So, ano yung isum natin? Which is the amount. Okay? Amount. Yung ginawa natin na range kanina. Okay? Then, so yan yung total sales natin kay John. Okay? Then, can copy that one. No? Puntang baba. Then, comma style. Okay? So, check no, kung ano ba, tama ba yung total natin. Pwede nating i-ano yan, no? I-sum, no? Alt equal. Okay, sum na lang natin. Sum. Then, okay, so 22,540. Okay? Check natin kung 22,540 ba, no? Pwede natin kunin yung sum dito, no? Total amount. Okay, equal sum. Ito. I-check lang, no? Okay, 22,540, which is equal to our total amount dito. Okay, tama yung ano natin, sales. Then, proceed tayo sa ating average sales. So, same ano procedure, pero nagkaiba lang yung function name, okay? So, average if. Then, range natin is si customer, ay item, ay customer pala, no? Customer. Okay? Then, criteria natin is ito. Same, no? Then, yung range natin is the amount. Amount. Ito. Okay? So, ito yung average sales natin per transaction kay John. Copy. So, we can reduce the decimal point, no? Ito, i-click natin itong decrease decimal. Yan. Okay? So, delete na lang natin kasi hindi yan, ano. Next is the number of transaction, number of sales na ginawa ni John. So, ang gagamitin natin na ano dito is the count if. Count if. Yan, no? Then the range natin is customer. So sa COUNTIF natin, meron tayong dalawang argument, which is the range and the criteria. Unlike sa other function na merong sum range. Okay? Then, criteria natin is, ito sila. No? Yan. Okay? Ilang transaction ng ginawa ni, ilang beses bumili si John. No? So, dito, meron tayong 12, no? Na 12 times siyang bumili. 11 times siyang bumili. Okay? So, total natin ito Okay? Sum natin yan. So, 140, which is equal sa ating number of transactions. Okay? So, we also do that sa ating yung items natin. No? Yan. I-bold natin to. Okay. So, sa item natin, so same pa rin, sum, if. So, yung range natin is, hindi na siya customer, hindi items na. Items. So, criteria natin ito. Yan. Then, sum range natin is the amount. Okay, then, enter. Total natin. Then, total natin to para to check kung tama ba yung ano natin. Alt equal enter. Okay, so same pa rin sa pataas, no? 22,540. Okay? Same with the average. If average if. Okay? Items. Then criteria. Yan. Then the average range, which is the amount. Okay? So, doon. So, ito yung mga average sales nila per transaction. Yan. Okay? Okay, so our last topic is the use of multiple sum if and the multiple average if. Okay, so what we're going to do is to know the sales of cola purchased by a certain customer, no? Example, how much cola na binili ni Joseph, ganun, or ni Samuel. Okay? To do that, no, we will create a list, no? So dito si customer, then item, then the sales. Okay, so to create a list, go to data, no? And data validation, then list. So yung list natin is ito, customer. No? Yan. Okay, then click OK. So we'll have a list now ng customer. Then, okay, example si Paul. Sa item naman, create na tayo ng list dito. Data, then list, then yung source niya is ito. Okay, so meron na tayong list ng example, orange juice. No? Okay. So, what is the total amount of sales of orange juice purchased by Paul? Okay? So, yun yung ano natin. Titingnan natin. Okay. So, equal. SUMIFs. So, we have a lot of arguments, no, for these functions, no. The first argument is sum range. Okay, so yung sum range natin is the amount. Yung ginawa natin kanina na range, the amount. Okay, then comma, then the criteria. So yung criteria natin, criteria range natin is yung customer na ginawa natin kanina, no? Customer. Okay, so yung range natin, customer, then comma, then yung criteria. The criteria is ito. Okay, yung pangalan, F3. Then comma, another criteria range, yung item, no? Items. Okay, then the criteria, this one. Okay, then Yan, no? Yan na yung ano natin, function. Okay, first is the amount. Ito yung kukunin nila na amount dito sa sales natin. Then, sino yung unang titingnan? Si customer. Then, second is si item. Then, enter. So, meaning, meron tayong 15 amount, no? Yung binili ni Paul for oranges. So, pwede tayo mag-change ng any, for example, how much, no, yung nabili ni Paul for corn. Okay, 200. Sa pizza, 900. Ice cream. Okay, wala siyang binili na ice cream. Si ano naman? Si Ann sa ice cream. So, ito yung binili ni ice cream ni Ann. Okay? Then, ano pa? Si Maine, ice cream. So, wala siyang binili na ice cream. Okay? So, we can also do this for, average, no? Average sales. So, average ifs. So, same pa rin yung natin, ginawa. Amount. Then, criteria range natin, customer. Okay. Then, criteria is ito. Then, another criteria range, item. Then, ito. Okay. Then, enter. Okay, so nag-division error siya because yung denominator niya is 0. So, meaning wala siyang transaction for ice cream. Okay, to remove the error message, no, dito na lalabas, we can use if error, no? Yung na-discuss natin last lesson, no? Okay? So, to insert if error, lagay lang natin dito if error. Then, yan na. Then, dito sa last, comma, value if error. Okay? So, lagay lang natin dalawang quotation. Then, enter. Para mawala yung, error. Okay? Or, lagyan natin ng, ganyan, no? Dash. Okay. Then, mili tayo ng ibang, candy. So, wala di siyang binili na candy. Chocome, meron. Okay? This is the average, purchase for Chocome. Okay, so that's all for this lesson. And I hope you learned something. And don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And pwede rin kayo mag-comment, no, mag-suggest, or mag-ask ng question about Microsoft Excel. So that's all. Have a good day.